In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Facebook page into your Wix website using the Wix dashboard and Wix editor. Whether you're new to website building or a seasoned designer, following these steps will make the process straightforward and efficient. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. To begin, let's navigate to Wix's setup page. Once you're there, you'll see a range of options designed to enable various features on your website. It's a great starting point to customize and manage the functionalities that Wix offers. With the dashboard opened up, now is the perfect time to familiarize yourself with its layout and what each section has to offer, which will be invaluable as we move forward. Next up, it's time to open the Wix editor. Once loaded, look for the option labeled Add Elements. It's usually located on the left side of your screen. Here is where it gets interesting. The Add Elements section is quite comprehensive, offering various widgets and functionalities that can elevate your site significantly. Take a moment to explore a bit here if you're curious, but remember, our focus today is on integrating a Facebook page, so click on the appropriate button to proceed. Now, amongst the multiple options available, locate the one that says Facebook page. Click on it to initiate the integration process. This not only allows your visitors to see your Facebook feed, but also provides an easy way for them to interact with your post directly, increasing your social media presence and engagement without them having to leave your site. Once you've clicked on the Facebook page option, it's time to give it a name. Click on Add Page Name to specify a title for this element on your website. Choosing a name that's recognizable and relatable can really help your visitors understand the kind of content they'll see. For example, if this page connects to your business's Facebook account, consider naming it after your brand for consistency. With your page named, the next step is crucial: pasting in the link to your actual Facebook page. This is the web address that will connect the element to your existing social media presence. Be sure to copy and paste the exact URL to avoid any broken links or misunderstandings. Precision here ensures that your visitors will see exactly what you intend to share with them. After pasting the link, you're almost done. Go ahead and click on Save. Saving ensures that all your hard work is documented and that the new feature won't disappear the moment you close your editor. As a best practice, make it a habit to save changes frequently if you're working on larger projects over a longer period of time. Finally, to wrap things up, click Done. This confirms everything is set in place and that your Facebook page is now a live component of your Wix website. Refresh your site to ensure the integration is visible and functional. This step not only gives you peace of mind, but also lets you experience your site just as a visitor would. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated your Facebook page into your Wix website. Remember, integrating social media into your site is a great way to build a community and engage with visitors who want more than just static content. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our channel for more tips and tricks on optimizing your website and online presence.